Alright, so I had a good night's sleep until 6 a.m. when this started happening. It's like an entire fleet of garbage trucks barreling down the street that I'm parked on. It was quite the wake-up call. I was like, what the hell? Welcome to van life. No big deal, really. It was 6 a.m. Time for me to get up and start rolling anyway. So, of course, I'm gonna prepare myself a cup of coffee and then chill out right here, right where I'm parked, and sip on it for a little while. And then I think I'm gonna head down the street. There's a big industrial park where I could take Pablo to handle his business. This spot right here has been abandoned for several years. They keep up the grounds, but yeah, no one really ever parks here. It's been this way for years. It's a pretty cool place to come bring your dog. Pablo likes it. Get in the house. All right, so maybe 5 minutes ago I decided I'm gonna take a drive to the harbor. I haven't been over there in years. Yep, it's as beautiful as I remember it. There's rain in them there clouds. Pablo is staring at the sea lions, probably telling himself, wow, those are some real big dogs over there. Look at them. Ah, another day of rain, huh, Pablo? What are we gonna do with so much rain all the time, bro? I feel like we're gonna like float away. Can't even see down there in the valley. It's just ugly out here today. What are we supposed to do in this rain, bro? You want to go outside? Go ahead. Help knock yourself out. No? I'm crazy? Oh man, there goes one of the ravens. See him? You're gonna go outside, Pablo? Okay. Have fun. I can't even kick him out. Oh, there he goes. Okay, have fun, bro. See you later. You ain't going nowhere. As soon as I back up, he'll come right back in here. All right, bro, have fun. I thought you were going outside. What happened? Not so much, huh? Yeah, he's already been outside. He already went outside and handled his business. There's really nothing to do. Nothing to do. I guess I could clean up a little bit, but for what? For what? I made the bed at least. I'd like to go and install this. Something that I got from Amazon. You better step down from there. Down. What are you doing with your dog life? Sit. No, sit. Are you a good boy? Okay. Go on with your dog life. Okay, so I bought something for the van. Here it goes. Let me show you. Okay, so I already took it out of the box. I got two of them. One for each side. Are you guys ready? I know it's a little silly, but that's okay. I think it's funny. Yeah. Notice the phone number? 8675309. There it is. I'm going to try to put it up today. 2 thumbs up or 2 thumbs down? I don't know. I think it's funny. I can't wait to see it on my truck. Okay, party people, you guys have been here too long. It's time to get out. Get out of my van. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay. Holy moly.